Hi guys, welcome to another video. We will be looking at comparison operator by two variables or two numbers. So in this case, we say it's s dash y, where dash can be not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Note the symbol for equal to is the double equal sign. So say, for example, is x not equal to y? If true, we do something else. If it's false, then we do something else. And these are alternative options that we can use. So if we go on the Arduino reference, you notice we've got the comparison operators there. But the not equal to, less than or equal to, then equal to, greater than or equal to, and so forth. So let's go back to Tinkercad and try out some code to see what these outputs can, or how we can make use of these comparison operators. So going back to our previous circuit, we can get rid of the code. So sure, let me comment this out. Space. And as usual, we will start off, but we have our two main functions that we need. They are both void functions. And setup and the make. So what we want to do is initialize the serial monitor. So we say serial begin. It's going to use the same baud rate as we used before, which is 9,600. Now, in here, what we want to do is initialize two variables. Let's say integer variables, int x, call x to be 5 and y, initialize it to be 5 as well, or initialize y to be 10. And what we want to do is to do a serial print. And what we want to print is a few comparisons. So first of all, let's print x equals 5. And we expect, because the value of x is 5, we expect this statement to be true. And true in C is always 1, whilst the false is a 0. So we run the simulation. We notice the result is 1. So as expected, this statement is true. Let's say x not equal to 5. Clear. We expect the results to be 0. As expected, we have the results being 0. That. Zoom in a little, make it really clear. So let's do comparison on the two variables. It's not equal to y. We expect the answer to be 0. We expect the answer to be 1, of course. X is not equal to y, which is 10. Let's say, let's clear it as greater than or equal to y, and x is less than y, so then we get a false for that. The same thing, we do less than or equal to, and we should expect a true statement, which in this case we are not clearing the screen. One should appear after the 0 as expected. We see the results in there. So this is how we use the conditional operators. Basically, we use them to make decisions with if-else statement, or especially in while loops, you will be seeing them a lot. Stay tuned for the next video.